Hello and welcome back. In today's video, let's make this really pretty and rather easy Christmas tree garland. For this project, I'm using again my glitter yarn in white and red and my 3.5mm hook. Starting with the white yarn, we will make a slip knot and chain 2. Next, single crochet 8 times in this first chain. Pull tight the yarn and we have a small circle. In the first stitch here, we will need to change color. So insert the hook, grab the red yarn, use it like you would normally work with it, and then pull the yarn through both of these loops. Chain 3, and do a double crochet in the same place you chained the 3. Next, double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3, and slip stitch in the same stitch as the double crochet. We need to make 4 of these. So slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch, then double crochet in the next one, chain 3, and slip stitch in the same stitch. And we have 2. You can continue to do the last 2, and then I'll show you the final row. You need to work the last slip stitch at the base where you did the first chain 3. And this is row 2 completed. For row 3, we will start with a chain 3, and then we will work 3 double crochets in this double crochet here. So we have the chain 3 and then double crochet. So in the double crochet here, we will work 3. And then chain 3 and work 3 other double crochets in the next double crochet. Chain 3 and come down and slip stitch in the previous slip stitch. And this is one petal. And you continue this pattern all around. But because this is not my first one, so you will do this pattern for the first one. When you get to the second one, you will have to attach it as you go. So let's chain 3, do the first 3 double crochets, chain 1, bring the garland facing backwards, and through the chain 3 here, put the hook in, grab the yarn, chain 1, and then chain the third one. So chain the second, chain the third, and now it's linked. Next step is to double crochet 3 times again in the stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch in the previous slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the previous double crochet, and now we need to attach the other side. So chain 1, go through the chain 3 space, pull the yarn, chain another one, and then chain the third one, and come back with the 3 double crochets to form the the third petal, sorry. And then work the last petal, fasten off, and weave in all the ends. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.